As I said again, we have a problem in the country. Honorable members, at correctional service, and I'll keep saying this, the money that you are authorizing to be allocated to correctional services can go a long way to lift up the livelihood of our citizens. Those people in prison must go and work in the garden to eat. They must work out there to make furniture to sleep on. They must work to stay alive inside, not to get freebies like they do. Because we're encouraging the culture of people committing crime, knowing that behind bars, life is better than to be in a shack. Life is better than to sleep in the street. It's a bad culture that we are creating.
Siyakuthokoza ngifuna ukwehlisa isigqoko sithi uyikakaramba isikhokho uyikutane.
The only man that is fighting for South Africans to get a better life, for South Africans to basically win in life, and it can show that there's people that are paying taxes so that South Africans can have a better life, instead of that taxpayers' money going to places like prisons where these people, some of them, they send themselves to prisons because of the fact that they know there's a better life there than Ekasi or than in the rural areas, because there's free food, there's free education. Some of them go in as killers, some of them go in as rapists, and they come back as lawyers, they come back as doctors, because they study in the prisons using taxpayers' money that could go to innocent South Africans that are actually trying on the outside and they're not committing crimes. So this man, Mkhwanazi, is really becoming one of the best people to sort of like be in the political space and sort of like the voice of the nation, and people are loving him, people are appreciating him, and I really do hope that he doesn't change from how he is and he doesn't get influenced into doing things that most of these politicians do. Let me know what you think. Do you think prisoners deserve the kindness that they're getting? Do you think they should be given a chance to go to school instead of them working garden jobs and any kind of job to sort of like keep themselves afloat, sort of like keep themselves having food in the prison, instead of getting every little thing free, the education, the entertainment, everything? What do you think about this in the comment section down below, and I'll see you in the next video.